Hello everyone, we are at the Drury Plaza Hotel at the San Antonio Riverwalk. We are on the 19th floor. Let me show you the room. So this hotel used to be a bank. So they have a lot of like bank architectural features, which is really cool. So in the front of the room, they have this little area right here. This is where you can put all your suitcases and stuff, which is nice and simple because normally your suitcases are, you know, tripping you on the way out the door. The first thing you have in here is your laundry area. You've got your hangers. They've got a iron, maybe a steamer, the ironing board, stuff to hold luggage. It's a pretty nice size. They have these nice paintings on the wall, like of the Riverwalk and stuff like that. You walk further down, it's like you have your own little hallway. Here's the bathroom. So let me show. This is the bathtub and shower. You got the toilet. Let me back up a little bit. There's the pumps they give you, the shampoo, body wash, conditioner. They've got this nice sink with the marble countertop. They've got a free little body lotion and a facial bar, cutesy stuff. They've got hand towels. If we keep going this way, around the corner is your little coffee bar. You've got really big windows. Look how tall the windows are. Very big. Lots of natural light. Then you walk in a little further, you've got the desk with the rolly chair and the lamp. And I will show you some of the view in just a minute. Over here we have 2 queen size beds. I'm gonna try and back up a little bit so you can see the full size of the beds. So there's both the beds. You got the double lamp. Here's the other bed. And then here's some more of the windows. Right here you have the TV. It's very nice. And some cabinets. Let's see what's in here. You've got your microwave. You've got a mini fridge. And you've got some little pull-out drawers for clothing. A little squeaky, but that's okay. You've got your chair, and there's your ice container, another lamp. So outside our view, you have downtown San Antonio. It's very nice. And then if you come over to this window, if you look just right in this area right here, that is part of the Riverwalk. I don't know if you can tell, but there's some glowing lights down there. That's part of the Riverwalk. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you.